What you consider when running and interpreting heat maps. Start at the beginning. You have to ask yourself, what is the primary goal of the object that I'm trying to test? I know you're probably thinking, this person is really silly to be asking me that question, but many people forget to do that. If you are running a paid ad campaign, are you trying to generate brand awareness, or are you searching for better sales and generating new leads? Is your web page purely informative, or you want people that access it to act on it and interact? What I'm trying to say here is that there's always something you're trying to achieve, but my goal here is to help you to achieve it. Second thing to ask yourself, what am I testing? What I'm testing it for? In every single design, there's something that is important to you, and often this thing is linked to your goal. For example, in this case, you are working for visual awareness campaign. Then your brand name, logo, tagline is the most important thing in that specific design. What I'm trying to say here is that when you know exactly what you're trying to test, it's a lot easier to have clear, specific, actionable, and measurable goals. Let's take a look at a very specific case. Look at this image right here. Do you think that Xbox wanted to highlight their new release, or they wanted to highlight their new release but focusing on the price? Well, you can clearly see that the price is not really getting a lot of attention, but with Exposa.io you can test your product and you can test your project in many different ways. What we do with Exposa.io is helping you creating better design. So what are you waiting for? Use Exposa.io.